Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet cobble stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the cobble stitch, so this is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 3. You're then going to work an all double crochet row for your first row in the chains, starting in the 4th chain from your hook. So there is going to be a foundation row of double crochet stitches in between your cobble stitches. I am going to work my first row right here, doing that double crochet foundation row, because the row that I had just made is the cobble row. So I've made 3 chains on my hook, and I'm going to work 1 double crochet into each stitch across. So again, that was just a row of all double crochet for a little foundation row between my cobble stitch row. I'm going to chain 3 and turn my work. Now in my first stitch right here connected to my chain 3, I'm going to work 1 double crochet. In my next stitch to start my cobble stitch row, I'm going to work 1 triple crochet. In my next stitch, I'm going to work a double crochet. In my next stitch, I'm going to work a triple crochet. You're going to alternate between the double and triple crochet for the rest of your row. So that is going to be how to make the cobble stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.